Hello guys, welcome to the TheCodeRank. In this video we are talking about how to use JavaScript in this is the first video of JavaScript course, so guys don't worry, we are starting from beginning. So guys, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel by clicking on subscribe button. So guys, let's start it. So what you have to do, let's create a simple HTML document. You can use JavaScript in head section and body section. Let's see the difference between head section and body section. Let's create a head section. Let's create a uh, document. Get element by ID. Let's create an ID, the code rank. Hello world. This is the first line of JavaScript. Let's create ID. Sorry, I let's create ID. The code, the code rank. Let's save this code and open with live server. Guys, you can see this code is not working because when this script runs, it did not found the code rank because it's run from this side, top to bottom. When you start from top to bottom, this code runs after this script, so this code not working. But copy this, you copy this script, don't use this one. Let's comment out. Okay guys, let's make this. I think save this. Save the code rank inner HTML. Okay guys, you can check this script working now. Due to one mistake, let's check again the code rank. But what I have to say, it's work. You can check this script not working, but when you cut this script and use in body tag, this script working. So when this script runs, it checks PID is set to the code rank, but JavaScript check document get element by ID, the code rank, ID set by the code rank. This JavaScript line check document document, this is the document, get element by ID. This this ID check, this JavaScript check the code rank ID in HTML to what you have. If you, this is the hello guys, this is the inner HTML. Oh, this inner HTML replaces this the hello world. So guys, let's save this. So how to use the head section JavaScript, let's talk about, let's use this. You have to create a function, a button, btn change btn change function. Let's copy this button. Let's create welcome welcome. Okay, but this code not runs. Control Shift A. Hello guys, you can see the hello guys, it's showing because this code run not running. Let's create a button which shall target this function button on click. This is a on click. Let's copy this button code and paste it here and submit. You can see this button, and this, look at this code is successfully working. Because why this working, let's talk about this. uh, when this script runs, it did not target any function. Script run in background, and background saves this code in there in this in memory. And but when you click on the button, this HTML target this button change function. And when you click on this button, this this function run this code after reading this line. So guys, I hope you understand how to use JavaScript in your HTML. Well, okay, let's use external. External sheet is also working like this, like this. Let's cut this. src script dot js. Okay, script.js. Let's now guys, you can see this is also work as same. So guys, this is the first video of the JavaScript course. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel for more videos. So guys, let's thank you for watching this video.